The data access layer is the layer responsible for performing input-output operations outside of the application's boundaries, such as communicating with the database to carry out CRUD operations. One of the easiest ways to implement this layer is to use an object relational mapper, also called ORM, which is a library that automates the transfer of data stored in relational database tables into objects that are more commonly used in application code. An ORM therefore provides a high-level abstraction upon a relational database that allows developers to write code instead of SQL statements or stored procedures to perform CRUD operations. So in the following lessons, you'll learn how to leverage the Docker technology to run a MySQL container the application will connect to, create a loader module that will be in charge of instantiating the database connection handler, and finally, how to implement two handlers for fetching and retrieving users from and into the database using the repository pattern to replace the fake functions we previously defined in the service layer.